Hello, my name is Edmond, Vice President of Operations. At J.D. Young Technologies, we've built our reputation on providing world-class service to companies just like yours for over 70 years. To achieve this, we've assembled highly specialized and tenured teams to keep your organization's systems running at peak performance. Allow me to introduce you to our J.D. Young Delta service team.
My name's Ron Horn. I've been with J.D. Young for 32 years. I'm a field supervisor.
I'm Mike Cantu. I've been with J.D. Young 16 years. I'm on the Delta team with J.D. Young.
Hi, my name is Kurt Beislein. I'm on the Delta team. I've been with J.D. Young for about 4 years now.
My name's Andrew Wren. I've been with J.D. Young for 3 years, and I'm a service technician on the Delta team.
One of my responsibilities at J.D. Young is going out on service calls and taking care of the problems that arise.
Working with network machines, getting them on the network.
My responsibilities is overseeing problem machines, going out and helping my field techs on a daily basis.
I work on wide format equipment, I work on printers, I work on fax machines, I work on copiers, work on a lot of different brands.
One of the things I really enjoy about working with J.D. Young is the customer service, and they're very customer focused. I personally am very customer focused as well.
I love the interaction with the customer, helping them get what they need done on a daily basis.
The most interesting thing about working at J.D. Young is getting to see the internals of all the machines, learning how they work, and using troubleshooting to fix them.
It's like my last call that I had, I went out there for a specific thing that they couldn't get the paper to print right. Then the lady asked me, well, I've got another issue that I haven't talked about. It shrinks my paper sizes when I print. And I contacted her IT department, and between what I knew and what they knew, I had them locate and install a new driver for it. And after that, she was printing just fine.
And our superior service doesn't stop once the job is done. We have a dedicated staff of support and admin personnel that ensure that each customer experience is an award-winning one. Thank you for taking the time to get to know us just a little bit better. We look forward to serving you for many years to come.